Hey everyone! But now you're staring at a growing balance, and that itch to spend, or maybe it's a need to pay some bills, is getting real. But before you hit that shiny withdraw button, a question pops into your head: exactly how much can I actually take out? Fear not, crypto adventurer, because that's exactly what we're here to explore today. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Newton withdrawals, uncovering the maximum limits, understanding any potential fees, and equipping you with all the knowledge you need to get your hard-earned crypto out of the exchange and into your hands, well, technically your wallet. Now, Newton, like most crypto exchanges, operates under a complex web of regulations and depends on factors like your location and verification level to determine your withdrawal limits. But fret not, we'll break it down into manageable chunks. First things first, let's talk verification. On Newton, there are 3 tiers of verification: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Each level unlocks higher withdrawal limits. For example, a basic account might have a daily limit of $100, while an advanced account could reach as high as $50,000. Think of it like climbing a ladder. The higher you go, the greater the access you have. But what if you're just starting out and haven't scaled the verification ladder yet? No worries. Newton understands that everyone starts somewhere, and even basic accounts have enough wiggle room for most casual users. Now, on top of verification levels, there are also withdrawal methods to consider. Newton offers a variety of options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and even sending your crypto directly to another wallet. However, each method might have its own limits. Bank transfers, for example, might have a higher daily threshold than using a debit card. Here's the key takeaway: always double-check the specific limits for your chosen withdrawal method before initiating the transfer. A quick look at Newton's support page or a chat with their customer service should clear things right up. But wait, there's more. We can't forget about fees. Newton, like most exchanges, charges a small fee for withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. For instance, bank transfers might have a flat fee, while wire transfers might be a percentage of the total amount you're withdrawing. Again, transparency is key. Newton will clearly outline the fees associated with each withdrawal method before you confirm the transaction. Alright, so we've covered verification levels, withdrawal methods, and fees. By now, you're probably itching to get some real numbers. Unfortunately, due to the ever-changing nature of the crypto world and Newton's focus on staying compliant with regulations, it's tough to give one-size-fits-all withdrawal limits. But here's the good news: armed with the knowledge we've shared, you can easily find out your specific limits. Just head over to your Newton account, navigate to the withdrawal section, and choose your preferred method. Newton will then display your current withdrawal limit for that specific method. Easy as pie. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What if you absolutely need to take out more than your current limit allows? While Newton doesn't offer instant limit increases, there are a couple of options. First, you can consider climbing the verification ladder by providing additional information and documents. This will unlock higher withdrawal limits. Second, if time is of the essence, you can explore selling your crypto on the exchange for fiat currency, like US dollars, and then withdrawing that fiat using a bank transfer or another method. While this might not be ideal due to potential trading fees, it could be a solution in a pinch. Remember, the key to navigating withdrawal limits is planning and understanding your options. Don't wait until you urgently need to withdraw crypto to figure things out. Take some time to explore your verification level, familiarize yourself with the different withdrawal methods and their limits, and factor in any potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.